I refuse to invite my disabled cousin to my wedding. I've got my wedding coming up soon, and there's one guest I'm struggling to invite, my cousin Tom. Tom's close to 30, but has a developmental disability that makes him think more like a 7-year-old child. Over the years, he's crossed boundaries with me that just make me incredibly uncomfortable. Tom has touched me in ways that don't feel right, like on my chest or hugging too tightly, and he tells his caregivers I'm his girlfriend. He even insists I'm his future wife, not my fiancé Liam. I've tried to talk to my family about this, but every time they brush it off, saying he doesn't understand or that he's just being affectionate. My mom once told me maybe I'm encouraging it somehow. No one takes my discomfort seriously. When I said I might not invite Tom to the wedding, everyone was furious. My family said I'm being cruel, and my mom even called it heartless. She said it would ruin his day and make him feel different. But it's my wedding, and I don't want to spend the whole day anxious or uncomfortable. Liam says I have every right to say no, but part of me still wonders if I'm being too harsh, especially since Tom doesn't fully understand boundaries. Am I wrong for not inviting him?